Good morning, children. The other days we have learned if a quadratic equation is given, how to find its roots. But today in this session we will learn if roots of a quadratic equation are given, then how to find or how to get the quadratic equation. Let us start the session. Yes, let us look at the board. See, it is very easier for us when a quadratic equation is given, how to find the roots. But today in this session, we are seeing to form a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta. It means a quadratic equation should be found if its roots are given. We know that the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and its roots are taken as alpha and beta. Okay. So children, if two roots of a quadratic equations are given, how to find the quadratic equation? That we are going to see in this session. Okay. To form a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta, we use an equation to get the quadratic equation, that is x square minus sx plus p is equal to 0. Okay. Here s means the sum of roots and p means the product of roots. Therefore, x square minus sx plus p is equal to 0 is the formula which helps us to get the quadratic equation if its two roots alpha and beta are given. Okay. Here s means sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta, and p means product of roots. So p is equal to alpha into beta, that is product of roots. By using this formula, we can find out the quadratic equation if its roots are given. See, x square minus sx plus p is equal to 0 can also be written as x square minus, okay, in place of s I will write alpha plus beta into x plus in place of p I write alpha into beta, that is product of the roots. Okay. Let us take some examples and illustrate it. Form the equation whose roots are. See the first example, alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 3. Are the two roots of the equation, then find the equation. Okay. We know that x square minus sx plus p is equal to 0 is the formula to find out the equation whose roots are 2 and 3 respectively. Okay. Here x square minus s means sum of roots. Therefore, where there is s, I put alpha plus beta. Okay. X plus p means product of roots. Thus, alpha into beta is equal to 0. Let me find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta separately. Okay. Here alpha plus beta is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and alpha into beta, it is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Therefore, children, here I put x square minus, where there is alpha plus beta, I put 5, x plus and alpha into beta, I put 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 is the required equation whose roots are alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 3. Okay. Let us see one more example. Look at me. Here alpha is 2 plus root 3 and beta is 2 minus root 3. These are the two roots of a quadratic equation. Which is that quadratic equation I have to find? Therefore, the formula used is x square minus sx plus p is equal to 0. Here x square minus into bracket alpha plus beta bracket complete x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Right? Here I find alpha plus beta. That is alpha plus beta. Now it is alpha and beta. Here children, minus 3 and plus root 3 get cancelled. Okay, minus root 3 plus root 3 get cancelled. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to 4. And similarly, let us find the product of the roots, alpha into beta. That is 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, a square minus b square. A square is 4 and root 3 square is 3. That's why 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So, alpha into beta is equal to 1. Now, let us substitute alpha plus beta is equal to 4 and alpha into beta is equal to 1, okay, in the equation. Thus, we have x square minus alpha plus beta. I put 4x plus into alpha into beta is 1. Therefore, x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0 is the required equation whose roots are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Is it clear? Let us take one more example. One root is 3 plus root pi by 4 and another root is 3 minus root 5 by 4. These are the two roots of the equation. Okay? And I have to find out which is the equation. Right? So, x square minus sx plus c is equal to 0 is the formula to find the equation. Here, s is alpha plus beta and p is product of the roots, that is alpha into beta. Now, let me find alpha plus beta separately. See here, alpha plus beta is 3 plus root pi by 4 plus 3 minus root 5 by 4. It is 3 plus root 5 plus 3 minus root 5 by 4 because the LCM of 4 and 4 is 4. Here minus root 5 plus root 5 get cancelled. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 by 4. Thus alpha plus beta is equal to 6 by 4. 6 by 4 means 2 2s are 2 3s are. Thus alpha plus beta is equal to 3 by 2. And similarly alpha into beta I should find. Alpha into beta. So numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. Here it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, right? Therefore it is a square minus b square. A square is 3 square, that is 9, and b square is root 5 square, that is 5. Thus 9 minus 5 is 4, and here 4 4s are 16. Thus 9 minus 5 upon 16 is 4 upon 16. 4 upon 16 means 4 1s are 4 4s are. Thus 1 by 4 is the product of the roots. So children, I put this 3 by 2 in place of alpha plus beta and 1 by 4 in place of alpha into beta in the equation. See here, x square minus into bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus alpha plus beta is 3 by 2 x plus alpha into beta, product of roots is 1 by 4 is equal to 0. Here x square minus 3 by 2x plus 1 by 4 is equal to 0 is the required equation. But to eliminate this 2 and 4, what I do is I multiply both the sides by 4. With this side also by 4 and this side also by 4. So 4 into x square minus 3 by 2x plus 1 by x bracket complete is equal to 0 into 4. 0 into 4 is 4. Now you see 4 into x square is 4x square. 4 into minus 3 by 2 is 4 into minus 3 by 2x. 4 into 1 by 4 is 4 into 1 by 4. Here 4 4 will get cancelled. 1 remains. Here 2 1s are 2 2s are. Then 2 3s are 6x. Then 4 into x square is 4x square. Thus 4x square minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0 is the required equation whose roots are 3 plus root 5 by 4 and 3 minus root 5 by 4. So children, in today's session we learned about how a quadratic equation is formed if its roots alpha and beta are given. That is the formula used to find out the roots of quadratic equation. The formula used to find out the equation, the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta is x square minus sx plus p is equal to 0, or x square minus into bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this section, and tomorrow I will come with the new concept. Till then, goodbye.